Video, we will be showing you the dashboard. So to navigate to the dashboard from the home screen, I can simply just click dashboard, or along the right hand side here, you'll see this little pie chart. I just click the dashboard there. Up here at the top of the dashboard, I can select if I want to view the company's dashboard details or a specific worker. I will include details on the permissions associated with those options later, but I can select from day, week, month, or year. I'm going to use the year view because it's just got some more robust details. So I can see my productivity. This is the percent booked I had and how many total appointments there were. I can see how many, the amount of appointments in book status for the year versus checked in and versus completed. I can see a breakdown in my retail to service and other sales. I can see what percent of my services are rebooked. I can see how many were booked online, how many were new clients. I can see my average product per ticket, average service per ticket, average ticket in general. I have my retail sales, my service sales, my retail per guest, that's number of retail units. And then down here it shows the photo of the top worker for product sales and the top worker for service sales. Now, if I wanted to tweak this view, maybe I don't want to see as much information or I want to limit who can see what. So I would go to Setup and Setup Workers and Setup Dashboard. At the top here, this is for the view options. So where I have company, I can select company and maybe when I'm in the day view, I care about the percent booked, but maybe in the year I don't. If you want to be able to see all the options, day, week, and month and year, you select this checkbox and it will populate all of those. And then if I need to, I can tweak it like, oh, I'm not really concerned with our, retail to service for the year, or I'm not needing to see my average service for the year or the month. But I also don't need to see my service sales for the week. So you can tweak what is shown based on your selection. So if you want to see everything for the company, like I said, you just check these boxes and it will populate. And then if you want to do this per worker, like the worker should only be able to see their day but not their week, and in some cases their month, you just uncheck these boxes and that will no longer be visible when you're in that view within the dashboard section. And then, of course, always remember to click Save. Now, as far as viewing the dashboard, there are two different permission sets. So let me show you those and what they stand for. So in Setup Permissions, I go to a permission set, and right there on the home page, there are two options. So the Owner Dashboard will allow me to see the company and the company's dashboard details. The Worker Dashboard will allow me to see all the workers. So if you don't want people seeing the entire company's information, you can uncheck that box and leave the Worker Dashboard as checked. Or if you only want them to be able to see the company's information, then you would uncheck Worker Dashboard and have it be where they can only see the Owner Dashboard. And then, of course, always remember to click Save. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.